Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the music boxing machine. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Looking to spice up your home workout routine? The Lolbox music boxing machine might just be the interactive fitness gadget you need. Blending fitness with fun, this intelligent boxing machine offers a unique combination of rhythm, tech, and exercise. Whether you're looking to burn calories, relieve stress, or just enjoy music while moving, this product delivers a dynamic experience. Let's break down its key features, advantages, and areas where it could improve. Product features. Variety of speed modes and lighting effects. The Lolbox is equipped with a smart touchscreen that lets users switch between various speed modes. Whether you're up for a high-intensity challenge or a relaxed punching session, the adjustable speed accommodates your preference. Coupled with vibrant lighting effects, it feels more like a rhythm game than a workout, keeping things entertaining and immersive. Intelligent and upgraded design. The upgraded design includes 9 volume levels and professionally engineered sound quality. The enhanced audio system helps create an engaging atmosphere, while the large-capacity battery ensures you won't be constantly tethered to a charger. Bluetooth music connectivity. Want to work out to your favorite tunes? With built-in Bluetooth, you can easily sync your phone or device to play your personal playlist. This boosts motivation and helps maintain workout consistency. Intelligent counting function. The smart counter accurately tracks every hit you land. This feature is perfect for performance tracking, goal setting, and competitive training, great for both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts. Simple and efficient installation. The Lolbox offers easy setup thanks to its adjustable Velcro mounting system. No tools, no extra gear, just mount, adjust height, and start boxing. Its all-in-one setup makes it an excellent alternative to bulky punching bags. Suitable for all ages and settings. From kids to seniors, anyone can use the Lolbox. It's lightweight, easy to adjust, and can be placed in a living room, bedroom, or even an office. It turns any space into a mini fitness studio, making it accessible and fun for everyone. Pros. Engaging with lighting and music feels more like a game than exercise, which encourages regular use. Adjustable speed and volume levels, customizable for various fitness levels and preferences. High-quality sound, professionally tuned for a better audio experience. Bluetooth compatibility, play your favorite music during workouts. Smart hit counter tracks performance and helps with progress tracking. Easy setup, Velcro mounting is fast and tool-free. Versatile and inclusive, suitable for all age groups and usable in multiple environments. Cons. Not a full replacement for traditional boxing equipment, may lack the resistance and feedback of heavy bags. Battery dependent, while the battery is high capacity, you still need to remember to charge it. Limited resistance training, it's more cardio focused and may not suit those looking for strength training. Bluetooth connection may vary, as with all Bluetooth devices, occasional connectivity issues can occur. Final thoughts. The Lolbox music boxing machine is a smart, fun, and user-friendly solution for anyone looking to get a cardio workout without stepping foot in a gym. It's especially appealing for families, busy professionals, and casual fitness enthusiasts who want an engaging way to stay active. While it's not designed to replace traditional boxing gear for serious athletes, it does offer a fantastic blend of technology and fitness for everyday use. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product for more video.